Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to deposit money on Dabble. Alright, let's begin. First of all, if I open up my browser, you can see that I am on the Dabble Help Center and all of the instructions regarding the deposit are listed below. As you can see, it is written that the currently available methods for depositing funds into your Dabble account are a debit card or a credit card via MasterCard or Visa, Apple Pay, PayID, and PayPal. In order to deposit money, follow these steps. First, tap your balance in the top right-hand corner. Then tap on the Deposit Funds option. After that, tap on Add Credit or Debit Card. Now, enter your details into each required field. Enter the amount and then tap Deposit. To make a PayID deposit, follow these steps. First, tap your balance in the top right-hand corner. Then tap on the Deposit Funds option. After that, tap on PayID and copy it. Once done, log into your personal internet banking and make a PayID transfer to the copied email address. Please keep in mind, Dabble's system will only allow you to add a bank account when you make a deposit. Also note that depositing funds into your account is done directly through the app only. So that's basically how you can deposit money on Dabble. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.